Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screws at the back here. Okay, this one's already removed the screws. Okay, so now you need to, after you remove the two screws, you just take the pencil, you put it in between the metal and the rubber. Just open it like this. Okay, you open it this way. Okay, then you have to take out the LCD first. Remove the LCD. The screws all are not the same, so please you have to make sure when you remove the screw you put them different places, because iPhone, if you use the wrong screw at the wrong place, you might spoil the display. The display will not come on again. So it's better you just put them different places. At least you know where you take out the screw. Okay, remove this metal, take out the LCD, remove all the connector. It's four connector, take it out. Okay, now you open the battery. The battery to the screw is not the same. Make sure you put them different places. Okay, you remove the metal, you disconnect the battery. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. You make sure you use the sharp pencil first, or any other thing. Just try to open it from here. This one already changed before, so it's easy to remove. You remove the battery like this. Okay, and now you need to replace the new battery. Make sure you take out inside the plastic. Don't leave it plastic inside there, so that the battery will not overheat like hot. And so you have to take it out from the plastic. Okay, then make sure you make the battery position very nice, the connector. Okay, then you have to use a double tape, because sometimes some battery will come with the glue, but some battery will not come with it, so you have to have the double tape like this one. Okay, at least you just put only one in the middle. Okay, just put only one in the middle like this. Okay, then you take out the plastic, the paper on top. Remove this paper. Okay, then you fix the battery. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first, so you don't lose the position of the battery. So you fix the battery terminal first, then you fix the battery in. Okay, then now you disconnect the battery again. Okay, you disconnect the battery again. You fix the LCD first. Make sure you connect all the connector. You make sure you get the right position of the connector before you press down. Don't press it down if you don't have the right position. You have to be very skillful, so you don't spoil the connector on the board. You have to be very skillful to do it. Okay, just try to get the right position. Then you press it in. This one too. If you don't get the right position, then press it in. When you put your hand on it, you shake your hand, you feel like it's already inside, and you press it in. Okay, then you put back the cover. You place all the screw you take out from inside. And when you are putting the screws, don't screw it that much hard, so you don't spoil the motherboard. Just screw it a bit, that you know that it's already fixed. Okay, now you need to fix back this fix the battery. Now make sure you fix the battery terminal very nice. Then you put the cover and you replace the screw you take out from there. Okay, And now you put the cover. You have to close from the top first before you close it down. Okay. Then if you have the screw, you replace the 2 screw back. Okay. Now you on it and see. Okay, the phone is on, but even the phone is on like this, you cannot use the voltage the battery came with. You have to put it on charge, full charge, before you use it. Even the battery is 70%, you still need to put it on charge, full charge, before you use it, so you don't spoil the battery. Now the phone is on, that means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.